the mountain. It took 30 hours, 30 minutes. It takes 30 minutes to reach on the top. Sulit pag maabot na mo dito sa Tumoy.
Oh, it's not 30 minutes. It took 1 hour.
30 to 1 hour minutes. It depends
On how fast you climb
yes.
the mountain.
It depends when you are faster and you're not afraid in the trail. Look at that. That's the mountain we climbed. And at top of it is the swimming pool and the view. Woo! Come visit to the Philippines.
Doon na dati no,
Yeah.
pa nila ang daan.
Bye for now. That's my daughter and son over there. Bye.
Tidula ra tati og ilang distrito ang daan.